Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to create this Welcome March 2025 trend video on TikTok. So if you want to become a part of this trending video on TikTok, then let me show you how to do this. So for this, you'll need TikTok and you'll need an app called Capcut. Capcut is a free video editor which is available on your Google Play Store or your App Store. So go ahead and download it. Once downloaded, you want to go back to your TikTok app. Here you're searching for the Simple Dad. Go ahead and tap on that. So it's called Test the Simple Dad. Go ahead and visit that profile. Now keep watching till the end of this video as the template will appear right here. For now, I'll just go ahead and use it for my favorites. So this is the template which you're going to use. Tap on Capcut, Welcome March 2025. Now you want to go ahead and tap on Use Template. This will open up Capcut, use template again. And now you want to go ahead and post 4 photos of March in 2025. Tap next. And now this will basically create you a TikTok video for welcoming March. You can go ahead and tap on add sound in TikTok. This will export the video into TikTok. Now, since this is a template, it's already automatically adjusted the song for you. Tap next. And then now you can go ahead and add your captions and edit your cover, then tap on post. And now you've created your Welcome March trend video on TikTok. So for those of you who are trying to find this template, go ahead and tap search on TikTok, search for Test the Simple Dad. Then go ahead and view the profile page. And now here you'll see Welcome March trend video. So go ahead and tap on this and then tap on Capcut Welcome March 2025. So there you go, guys. There's how to create the Welcome March trend video on TikTok. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.